When deciding on a hair routine, you must first determine your hair type. Hair texture is an essential part of learning how hair is cut, how you wash it, and even what types of gel or mousse you need to use. If you have thin hair, cut in long, angular layers around your face, leaving the rest at shoulder height. The color will add a volume look, but if you don't like coloring hair, you can try to highlight the top layers. You may need to wash your hair a few times a day, especially in the summer heat. Use a deep cleansing shampoo to remove any oils that might weigh your hair and make it straight. If your hair is dry, you can use a gloss to add moisture to the ends. Try a protein-based volumizer and work it at the base of the scalp. Pin your hair about 2 inches from the hairline and let it dry. This will make you appear to have extra volume and height at the top. Wavy hair should have layers. Length is not that important. The coatings prevent the hair from getting too big. Shampoo only once a day and use a silicone-based gloss or gel or mousse instead of an alcohol-based product. These alcohol-based products tend to dry your hair. You can fix it during the day and drop it at night. A curly hairstyle guarantees long hair, but asks for a blunt cut to prevent your hair from getting too big. Wash your hair every 2 days, use a heavy conditioner, and don't rinse it very thoroughly. You will need the extra moisture. The same goes for the use of alcohol-based mousse and gels. Use silicone-based products to prevent hair from drying out. Perhaps these tips can help you with your hairstyle problems and allow you to try something new or some new products. Remember that the hairstyle and hair texture need to work together.